In the blink of an eye, nature can unleash its raw power in the form of a lightning strike, causing immense damage and electrifying the sky with a display of light and sound. Lightning strikes can travel at speeds of 270,000 miles per hour and hit temperatures of 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. In these upcoming clips, we'll soon see why lightning is not to be messed with. Join us as we explore the immense power behind one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena. Lightning is one of nature's most recurrent and common spectacles. All across the world, there are over 3 million flashes every day, which equates to around 44 strikes every second. With numbers like this, it's no surprise just how close some people get to these deadly bolts of electricity. In this first clip, a woman is out on her balcony recording the severe stormy weather. However, in a split second, things almost take a turn for the worst when the lightning gets a little too close for comfort. The lightning strike hits the side of her balcony, less than a meter from where she is standing, causing her to run and scream. A reaction that's definitely warranted. This next clip features another person observing the bad weather, leading them to catch lightning strike a parked car. The sudden surprise of the lightning leaves the camera operator to duck in shock. Lightning strikes can be so loud that they can leave those near them with temporary hearing loss. Some strikes in the past have been recorded at reaching volumes of 180 decibels, which is level that hearing tissue will start to die. Two of the most common dangerous activities associated with lightning are playing in an open field and being in or near water. This next clip shows us why. Incredibly and thankfully, no one was harmed in this clip, but it shows us why lightning in Mother Nature is not to be messed with. While being struck by lightning can leave someone with serious and permanent injuries, in most cases, a unique pattern can be found on their body soon after the strike, commonly referred to as a lightning scar or lightning flowers. These incredible patterns appear due to blood vessels rupturing from the heat of the lightning strike. Apart from a few rare and photographically documented cases, these markings eventually fade and disappear within a few days, meaning the chances of finding someone with them is exceptionally rare. Lightning tends to strike the tallest object in an area. While lightning often travels down the path of least resistance, and with trees containing a lot of moisture, they often become likely targets. This next clip showcases exactly what happens when trees are struck by lightning. As the lightning hits the tree, the electricity makes its way through the bark and heats up the sap and water inside the tree, causing it to expand and explode as a result. In a similar clip, this tree is hit during a bright and sunny day, showing just how unsuspecting lightning can be. In some cases, the heat from the lightning can be so intense that the explosion from the tree is much larger. This results in much more dangerous situations.
Taking it like a champ.
On rare occasions, if the right-sized tree is struck by lightning in the right place, a fire can break out inside the tree, causing an extremely rare sighting such as this one on screen. With many cities featuring a landscape of skyscrapers and tall buildings, these structures all feature what is called a lightning rod. This device is used to protect the buildings from a direct lightning strike, and in particular, a lightning-initiated fire. In this sequence of clips, we can see just how the lightning rods catch the bolts of electricity, to then disperse the charge of energy safely by being sent to a conductive grid buried in the ground. Lightning often occurs in tropical and torrential weather, most commonly during heavy rainfall. With tropical storms and hurricanes being extremely common across North America, Texas is no stranger to lightning. These next clips are all taken during a supercell storm in Texas. Supercell storms are thunderstorms which feature a deep rotating updraft called a mesocyclone. During these storms, extremely damaging lightning frequently occurs. On some occasions, supercell storms have recorded over 30,000 lightning flashes in just 2 hours. This clip features an extremely close encounter as a lightning bolt strikes down on the side of the road during torrential rain in Texas. In an article published in April 2023, Texas was the leading state for the most lightning occurrences, with a total of nearly 42 million events recorded. However, Florida is recognized across the United States as the lightning capital in the U.S. Throughout 2021, there were just under 15 million lightning events recorded, which is 65% less than that of Texas. While that figure is significantly lower, the reason Florida is the lightning capital is due to its extremely high lightning density rate of 285 lightning events per square mile. On top of this, it is also the deadliest state when it comes to lightning. With more than 30 deaths since 2006 and over 2,000 lightning injuries in the last 50 years, it's easy to understand why Florida is named the lightning capital. While lightning alone is a spectacle to witness, a much less common form of lightning occurs with another of nature's scariest creations. Volcanic lightning is a lightning storm that occurs during a volcanic eruption. Like all thunderstorms, volcanic lightning happens when static electricity builds up in the atmosphere. While not fully understood, we know that it's caused from colliding, fragmenting particles of volcanic ash, which then generate electricity. As seen in these clips, it is truly a unique and out-of-this-world display, mimicking scenes that we would expect to see in sci-fi movies. With the amount of lightning that illuminates our skies every day, it is wise to remember to avoid tall objects such as trees if caught outside. Also avoid any open field or being in or near water. And remember that if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you've stuck around this long, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Click here for other videos. See you next time.